How to send money from Canada to Australia step by step. To send money from Canada to Australia, you need to follow a series of steps to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate you will get. Compare the exchange rates and fees of different money transfer services such as banks and online money transfer providers. Choose a reputable money transfer service that is licensed and regulated by the relevant authorities in Canada and Australia. Create an account with the chosen service provider by providing the required personal and identification documents. Once your account is set up, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient details, including their name, address, and bank account information. You also need to provide the payment details such as the amount you want to send and the payment method you will use. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct before confirming the transfer. The money transfer service will then process the transaction and send the money to the recipient bank account in Australia. The recipient can then access the funds in their bank account. It is essential to keep the transaction reference number for any future queries or issues. Additionally, be aware of the transfer limits and any additional fees that may apply. It is also important to ensure the recipient has the necessary documentation and information to receive the funds. By following these steps, you can send money from Canada to Australia quickly and securely. Always research and compares different money transfer services to find the best option for your needs.